Hello again to all our friends. Here we are. We are going to make a macaroni cheese for Monday night. So we have decided to use two of our favorite sauces. This is a cheese sauce.
This is a white sauce which is made with cashews and cauliflower. We use the green powder for it.
Right, and this one is made with potatoes and carrots, and we used inner almond. This is the stock powders that we think for convenience sake is probably the best thing to do. They're both vegan and they're both gluten-free, so it's we've added a little bit of that into our sauces to make it really good. We're going to use this yellow sauce, the cheese sauce, as the base for our macaroni cheese.
And we're going to use the white one for the top.
Yeah, and then we can have a lot of add-ons, but we're going to show you that in the next video. In the meantime, find your recipe for these two sauces just below this video and make sure that you follow the instructions 100%. If you follow the instructions, you will have the same beautiful sauces that we have here, and they are delicious, not using any cheese or any milk. It really are fantastic basics for future. You can use these sauces on anything else, like roast potatoes or just roast veggies, or just use it as the base for soups or anything like that. It really are, they are both very versatile sauces. Thank you so much. Head for the recipes, make up your recipes, and see the next video, how to assemble your pasta. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
No.